Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to set default width in Excel. So let's start this in Excel and you can see when you open your Excel file, you can see the column width is same is showing for every Excel file. And if you want to set the default column width to particular Excel file, you can it easily. So before that, you just check the what is the width exactly default here mentioned for every Excel file. So for simply select the column, any column you can select here and right click of the mouse and click on the column width option and you can see 8.43 is default width mentioned here, set here. Okay. Now here I'm going to change the default width. I just closed this dialog box. So to change the default width, go to the Home tab in Cells group, have a Format option. Just click on this drop down arrow and click on the Default Width option. Okay. Then Standard Width dialog box is open. Then you can set here your default width. So I change here the 17. Okay. See the changes when I click on the OK, the column width will change. Okay. I just click on OK and that's it. You can see the all column width is set the 17. Okay. Now when you save this Excel and open again, the same width is set for this Excel file. Okay. So this is so helpful if you want a particular default width for every Excel column in particular Excel file. So hope you understood. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you so much.